So the process to delete Google search history on computer is quite easy and simple. Simply go and open up your browser. In my case, I'll open up the Chrome browser. And here the thing is that if you are logged in with certain Google account on your Chrome browser, like here you can see I am logged in with this account, what you need to do is simply go and click on this, and here go to manage your Google account. In case if you are not logged in, what you can do is simply go and click on these three dots, go to settings and go to history, and you can directly delete the history from here. And if you go to the history, you have this clear browsing data. That is in case if you are not logged in with any Google account on your Chrome browser or any other browser. So you can simply clear the history from here. In case if you are logged in with the Google account, once you are here, go to data and personalization. Now scroll down a bit, and here you can see web and app activity. Click on this. Once inside, scroll down a bit, and at the bottom you can see manage activity. Click on this one, and once here you can have this option of delete activity by. But before that, you can see all your activity recently that you have done with this account. Click on delete activity by, and here you have all options. You can go with last day, last hour, custom range, all time. That's up to you. So select any of this one. Like I go for the custom range. I select the last week, for example, or last few days. Tap on next, and you can see it is asking me which products I need to delete the search history. So here you can see the search. I can uncheck all others if I want to, and click on next. It says all this will be deleted, whatever. Click on delete, and you can see deletion completed. And by doing so, you'll be able to delete Google search history on computer. So hope it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.